How to make alerts pop up on Twitch while people redeem things with channel points. Let's take a look on how we do this on Twitch itself. We're gonna need to go to our creator dashboard. Then here to the left, we're gonna go to alerts and we're gonna make a new alert box. I'm gonna call it channel point alerts and I'm gonna edit this one. I'm gonna turn everything off because we only need the channel point ones. And I'm going to open the channel point one. I'm going to click on this first one. This is what happens right now. Kumpa has redeemed my cool channel point alert. Here on the right, we can set the alert, how we want it to look like, custom point redemption. Here we can name the alerts, for example, music. Now, we need to select one that we've already have, but we don't have anything yet. So I'm going to just open my creator dashboard again. We're going to go to viewer rewards and channel points. And manage channel points. Here we're gonna make a custom reward, add new one. Music, that's what it's gonna be. Plays music. It's gonna cost 100 channel points. We can drag and drop our own image that will display in here and we can choose a color that this channel point is gonna be. Let's say green. We can skip the reward queue. Basically, you can deny things like that. So we can do that with music because it's instantly going to play anyway. And we can set cooldowns, how many minutes or how many per stream or how many per user per stream. And we can create one. Now here we need to search the music one. But it might not be here because we just made it in a different tab. So I'm just going to save this and then I'm going to press the button F5, which reloads the page automatically. And we're going to just open it again by edit alerts. Make sure to go back to the channel point and click on it. General settings, and now here we should be able to find it, music. The duration of it, well for me, I'm gonna do some audio. So I have the audio here, and I'm gonna see how long it would take. If you have an image that you want to display, you can just choose whatever you want. But this one is 9 seconds, so 10 seconds sounds good. We can also code it ourselves if we want by clicking on here. We're gonna let it fade out and fade in if you want to. We can have other effects on it as well. The layout, how do you want it to be displayed? We're just going to click on this one because I don't want this picture with it because we're just going to do music, but you can do a picture with text, without text, whatever you want. We can round the corners of the background if you want. So you can select the background color if you want that as well. You can have text to speech. We can have a message. You can even have no message. So what I'm going to do is no message. What you can also do is just change this to whatever you want. It has just redeemed music. You don't need the text. If you want, you can make this text whatever you want. The username will be the person that redeemed it. Title reward will be the reward name. You can change the text in between if you want, but I'm gonna remove it. The important thing is visuals and sounds here. So if you want an image, you can upload that right here. If you don't want an image, click on the X. Same with here. If you want music, you can upload that right here. If you don't want it, again, click on the X, right? Make sure that they are not having copyright or anything in them. We can also have celebrations going on inside the stream, inside the chat, or both. And we can delete them here if you want. Okay, we're gonna save this. Click on save and copy this URL by just clicking on this copy button. We're gonna open OBS right here. We're gonna make a new scene, call it alerts. Or pop-ups, or I don't know, whatever you want. Then we're gonna make a browser source. And this one is music channel point. There we go. I'm gonna paste the link in here. We're gonna make it 1920 times 1080. Control audio via OBS, and we're gonna remove this and click on OK. What you will see is this audio thing pops up, which we can control the audio with, which is really convenient. This is why you need to control the audio via OBS. Now, how can we test this? So what we can do now is we can click on the send test button here, and then in OBS we see that it comes true. We don't hear anything, so we're gonna go to advanced audio properties here, and I'm gonna put it on monitor only to hear it myself, or monitor and output if you're not recording desktop sound. And now, if we test it, I've got this tab muted, so if I test this, you see that it actually comes through our OBS. And what we can do now is we can add multiple in here, multiple alerts, and we can add this channel point alert one to another scene. So for example, our full camera scene, we just click on the plus, add a scene, and select the one that we just made. And now it will come into this scene as well, because we have this here. This is how we can set a channel point reward with either music or an image on Twitch itself natively. Do you want more Twitch tutorials? I do have a full playlist right here. I also have a full playlist of OBS tutorials right here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel right here and to my gameplay channel right here. I'll see you there.